Hi class, I hope you enjoyed the book Baa Black Sheep. I know that I really enjoyed this book. I thought that it was a great book for rhyming words and also to help look at emotions and how we read emotions. In this book, there were animals who were kind of upset at the sheep because they thought that she wasn't being kind. But then it turns out that she was very, very kind and actually gave them a gift. Now, it's really important that as somebody does something nice for you, like giving a gift or an act of service or helping, it's important that we show that we appreciate that. And one way that we can show appreciate that is by writing a letter. So in your writer's notebook, I would like your family or somebody in your family to help you write a letter. And pretend that you're an animal and then write the letter, right? Pretend that the sheep made something for you. So you're going to start with a salutation, which we're going to use dear, and the D is capitalized, and then sheep. And I capitalize sheep because that's the name of the sheep. And then I have a comma after the opening, and then I'm going to write my message here using capitals and periods, and it can be a simple message. And then I'm going to end with the closing of some sort. So sincerely, love, thank you, and then I always put a comma after my my ending message, and then I sign it with my name. And I always make sure I have a capital at the beginning, and then I finish with lower cases. So I'm excited to hear your letters or see your letters. If your parent wants to send me a picture of the letters that you wrote, you can write it in your notebook. If it's easier to write it on a big piece of paper like what I have, that's just fine. Anyway, good luck thinking of ideas for your letter. Have an excellent day.